Good morning, children. Now we will see about paintings of the Sultanate period. The paintings of this period portrayed an Indo-Persian style. This style included groups of people standing in rows in identical poses. The painters use bright and unusual colors. In Sultanate period, painters were patronized by sultans. Miniature paintings began to develop in this period. The court painters made portraits of rulers. Now you will see music and dance of this period. Sultan was great patron of music, so music flourished during this period. Amir Khusro was called the father of Hindustani classical music. He introduced many ragas like Yaman, Kalyan, Zilaf and Sarpat, etc. and Qawwali also. Qawwali was the mixture of Persian melody and beats on the Dhrupad structure. Amir Khusro also introduced Perso-Arabic ragas. During the reign of Firoz Shah Tughlaq, the Indian classical work Rag Darpan was translated into Persian. Different musical instruments like sitar, tabla and sarangi began to be used. Amir Khusro is credited for the invention of sitar. During this period, Kathak was transformed into Indo-Islamic dance form. It took on churidar pajama and full skirt for women. Now children, we will see about cultural changes of this period. During Sultanate period, both Hindus and Muslims started to wear kurta and pajama, kaftans and salwar kameez. Biryani became an important part of Indian cuisine. Samosas became ubiquitous, means it was found everywhere, and it was introduced to India from Central Asia. Sultanate period introduced elaborate code of table manners, which were different as compared to Hindus. Unani system of medicine was also introduced in India by the Turks, and Indian spices and pan began to use by the Muslims. In this way, we have seen that Sultanate period witnessed the development of composite culture in India. Children, now you all are supposed to give answers of these questions. Question 1. Who were the patrons of the painters of that time? Question 2. Who was known as the father of Hindustani classical music? Question 3. Who was the creator of Qawwali? Question 4. Which system of medicine was introduced by the Turks? And question 5. Name some musical instruments used in this period. Thank you, children.